So I want to tell you something about adult stem cell therapy. Stem cells need something to cling to if they're going to become cartilage. That something is called a matrix or scaffold. So what are the ideal properties of a scaffold? Well, they need to be biocompatible so inflammation doesn't damage the host. Second, they need to have a three-dimensional shape to allow cell differentiation and multiplication. Third, they need to be porous to allow diffusion of nutrients and oxygen, as well as passage of cells. Fourth, the scaffold should permit adhesion or sticking of the stem cells to it. Fifth, the scaffold should participate in the growth process by releasing growth factors. Sixth, the matrix should stick to the host tissue. Seventh, the scaffold must maintain its shape during the growth phase and also degrade during the remodeling phase. Eighth, the scaffold should be able to be implanted using minimally invasive procedures. When you click on the button below, you'll get access to a page where you can sign up to receive a portfolio of information that will give you the inside scoop on how stem cells can help you if you have osteoarthritis, the science, the biology, and most importantly, the results. See you on the other side.